Welcome back to our personal brand talk show. Next on our show, I am pleased to welcome Maddy. Maddy, come on, join me. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Have a seat. I really like your blazer. It
Thank
reminds me
you.
of the State College of Florida colors. That was a hopefully intentional choice. How are you?
I'm doing good, how are you?
Wonderful. Tell me a little bit more about yourself. What brings you here today?
I'm just here to talk about my personal brand and who I hope to be in the future and where I'm at now. My dream in life is to be a business owner
Okay.
and eventually own my own hair salon because I feel like that would be a really amazing thing to do in the future.
Yeah, I appreciate that you already have a plan. I know oftentimes people your age are a little unsure what might be next. And tell me a little bit more about from where you're at today to where you'd like to be owning that business. What are some of the things that you're doing now to prepare yourself
So
for owning that business?
I'm gonna hopefully graduate from here with my AA so I don't have to worry about college once I graduate.
Okay.
And then I plan to go to a cosmetology school like Avita and hopefully finish that within 2 years. And then slowly work my way up with smaller hairstylists to gain my customer base and then
Wonderful.
own my own one day.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
So you mentioned graduating with your AA, but you're in 10th grade. I mean, that seems quite ambitious. Tell me a little bit more about how you're doing that.
So I'm in a dual enrollment program where I practically finish high school by 10th grade.
Wow.
And the last 2 years of my high school career are going to be on a college campus getting college credits and degrees.
That's amazing. What a great opportunity. It sounds like you're very busy. Do you have any time for extracurriculars or other ways to stay involved?
So I'm a competitive dancer.
Wow.
I recently got injured though, so I've been out for the season. But that's one of my favorite things to do, and it's a great stress reliever from everything.
It's interesting you mentioned stress relief. I would assume being a 10th grader trying to get your AA, that's a lot.
Yes.
So how do you see using that extracurricular activity, being a dancer, to help you be successful in the future?
It kind of shows me that once you get stressed out, you need to take a break from everything and just go into your safe place, let your mind go free, and then it helps you to come back stronger after that.
Wonderful. I mean, you mentioned being a competitive dancer. Sounds like you've most likely won some awards, have been accomplished in that regard. So I want to ask you about academic accomplishments.
Okay.
What is one academic accountment that you would say you're most proud of?
So I've been a straight A student since 6th grade, and I
Congrats.
think that's a pretty big accomplishment. I've also won a lot of awards that are like, you have good character, you help others, you're persistent. So I think that those are good too, to have the character along with the achievements.
I agree. Maddy, it's been a pleasure to have you on our show today. Thank you so much for
Thank
taking
you
the
for
time.
talking with me.
Absolutely, I enjoyed it.
Have
Take
a
care.
nice day.
You too.